Welcome to today's show. Today I was inspired to make this video as this morning I was putting on my old work pants that I had made cool once already by putting a leather patch on the knee. I saw that the other knee had ripped too, and I thought, wow, it's time to step these jeans up and make them really cool. Well, let's see. So these are my old jeans. You can look, I made them really cool there. Put that leather strap. Let's move that patch on there. You know, they were the coolest jeans around. I just wore them for working around the yard. Then this morning I saw this knee was blown out too. I thought, this is the time to make my jeans look really cool. And you know what I think about ripped jeans is, if you're more than 19, you shouldn't wear ripped jeans because, well, they're not that cool when you're 19, and when you're older than 19, you're 30 or 40 or 50 and you're wearing ripped jeans, it just kind of says to people that I don't think that I'm my age. I think I'm 17 now, and it looks really stupid. But there's one saving grace to old people wearing ripped jeans, or young people. There is one thing that's less cool than wearing ripped jeans, and that's vaping. I mean, vaping is even less cool than ripped jeans, and ripped jeans aren't cool. So if you're wearing ripped jeans, you can go down one. Vaping, there's only one way for you to go up in the cool scale. But I digress. Let's make these jeans cool. So I'm going to make 3 rips on this side and 1 cut on this side, and then we'll see what we should do with them. Adjust the camera down here. Let's get it down. Where are we at there? Okay, here we are. So here I'm going to put 1-2 cuts. Just take your scissors and you put them in the middle, and you just, if you have scissors, they cut there. There. And then I'll do one about here. Again, at least you want it higher than your underwear, longer than your underwear. There. There, now that's really cool. And we'll put one in the middle here because you don't want them the same. You can put rips on the bottom half, but you know, that's just looks even dumber. Okay, I'm going to try these on and show you how cool they look. Alright, I have my cool ripped jeans on. See, there's a rip here, patch here, rip, rip, rip. Let's stand up, see how cool they really look. There. Is that cool or what? Yeah, it's cool if you like looking dumb, but for those who like looking dumb, these are the things to wear. There's only one more thing you can do with these jeans to step them up a little bit, and we're going to do that. And I'll show you this, and you can practice it at home. Just give me a second. Okay, we're here. There's got those 3 cuts, and now there's one thing you can do left to do with these jeans. So you fold them like this. You always fold them so the hems are together, and then you fold them like this so there's no wrinkles. Then you roll them. You can roll them. See how you roll them? Then you take them like this. Alright, I'm going to show you. You throw them in the garbage. Do you know why you throw them in the garbage? Because they look stupid. Why are you wearing ripped jeans? Really give your head a shake. Alright, that's all I had to say. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my channel if you'd like. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything exciting. Until next time.